Looking for ways to give your home that spooky, eerie glow this Halloween? Imagine walking down the street and your house is the one everyone is talking about. Whether you're aiming for a creepy haunted look or a fun and festive vibe, window decor is the key. In today's video, we're diving into 6 incredible Halloween window decor ideas that'll make your home stand out and get everyone in the Halloween spirit. How can I create a spooky atmosphere using window cling? Window clings are a versatile, affordable way to instantly add a spooky touch to your home. They're easy to apply and come in various designs, from ghosts to witches to eerie silhouettes. Dark themes. Opt for designs like black cats, flying bats, or witches in action. Position them across your window to create a shadowy scene that comes alive as the light dims. Glow in the dark. Glow-in-the-dark clings add an extra layer of spookiness at night, giving a faint glow that's both chilling and exciting to trick-or-treaters. Custom DIY clings. Want something more personalized? You can make your own window clings using clear contact paper and markers. Create custom ghostly figures or haunted houses. Love these ideas? Hit the like button for more tips on decorating your home this Halloween. What lighting techniques can enhance the Halloween decor on my windows? Lighting is crucial in setting the right spooky ambiance for your Halloween windows. Here's how to use it effectively. Backlighting. Use soft LED candles or fairy lights behind your window decor to cast eerie shadows. This adds depth to your silhouettes and brings them to life after dark. Colored lights. Switch out regular bulbs with purple, orange, or green ones to give your home a mystical glow. Place the lights near the windows for a vibrant Halloween look. Projectors. Halloween projectors can cast moving images like ghosts or creepy faces onto your window. This creates an interactive experience for anyone passing by. Got any creative lighting ideas? Share them in the comments below. What are some DIY Halloween window decor ideas on a budget? You don't need to spend a lot to get a great Halloween window display. Here are some DIY ideas that are both fun and budget-friendly. Spider webs. Stretch cotton batting or use yarn to create spider webs across your windows. Add plastic spiders to complete the look. Paper cutouts. Make ghost, bat, or pumpkin cutouts using black or orange construction paper. Stick them to your window for a fun, playful vibe. Pumpkin lanterns. Cut out a pumpkin face from cardboard, paint it orange, and tape it to your window. Place a small light behind it to make it glow in the dark. Loving these budget-friendly tips? Don't forget to subscribe for more DIY Halloween decor ideas. How can I make my windows look more haunted? If you're going for a truly haunted look, it's all about the small, creepy details. Here's how to achieve that spine-chilling vibe. Ghostly curtains. Drape old, white, tattered sheets or cheesecloth over your windows to create a ghostly appearance. Frayed edges and sheer fabric add a haunting effect. Bloody handprints. Use red gel window clings or even washable paint to create bloody handprints and smears on your windows. This instantly gives your home a terrifying haunted house look. Eyes in the dark. Cut out eye shapes from black construction paper and tape them on the inside of your window. Add a small light behind them. Create a lurking in the dark effect. Want to create a haunted house this year? Check out the description for more chilling ideas. What materials can I use to make a more festive, kid-friendly window decor? For a more family-friendly Halloween vibe, focus on colorful and fun decor that gets the kids excited. Here are a few ideas. Pumpkin faces. Use colored construction paper to make jack-o'-lantern faces. Stick them on your windows or use washable markers to draw them directly onto the glass. Candy corn garland. String together felt candy corn shapes and hang them across the window for a fun, festive touch. Friendly ghosts. Cut out ghost shapes from white paper and draw cute smiling faces. Stick them to the windows to create a playful Halloween scene. For more kid-friendly Halloween decorating ideas, make sure to check out our playlist in the description. How do I decorate my windows with a theme like witches or zombies? Creating a theme for your Halloween window decor takes it to the next level. Here's how to focus on a specific spooky theme. Witchy windows. Use silhouettes of witches flying on broomsticks, with cauldrons bubbling and bats in the background. Adding a glowing green light can mimic the look of a witch's potion brewing. Zombie outbreak. For a zombie apocalypse theme, stick large zombie hand clings creeping up the window. You can even add keep out or quarantine zone signs to amp up the fear factor. Haunted graveyard. Create a spooky graveyard scene using tombstone cutouts, skeleton figures, and eerie mist created by stretching cotton along the window frame. If you're into themed decorations, don't miss our other videos on creating the perfect Halloween look. Check the description for more. So, which Halloween window decor idea will you try this year? Whether you're going for spooky, fun, or downright haunted, these tips will turn your home into the neighborhood's favorite Halloween stop. Don't forget to add your personal touch and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching, and have a hauntingly fun Halloween.